Good morning all. I Razia Patan from Gnanmanjari Vidyapit standard 4th. So students, today we'll start worksheet number 22, number of the day in a week and the month. Okay. So in that worksheet, here is a number of the day in a week. There are 7 days in a week. How many days in a week? 7 days in a week. Which one days is there? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. These all are days in a week. There are 7 days. How many days are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 days. How many days are there? 7 days are there. Number of the days in a month. Okay. So every alternate month has either 13 or 31st day. How many days are there? Alternate month में 30 मंथ होते हैं, डेज होते हैं, either than 31 days होते हैं. ठीक है. So in the February is the exceptions as in the has 20 days. In a leap year it is had 29 days. February month में क्या होता है? 28 days होते हैं और जब लीप ईयर होता है at that time 29 days is there. Okay. July and August there are only 2 consecutive months that have the 31 days. जुलाई एंड अगस्त में क्या होता है? 31 डेज होते हैं. ठीक है. सो इन दैट January month is here. So in the January is a 31 days is there. February 28 days is there. March 31 days is there. April 30 days is there. May 31, June 30, July 31, August 31, September 13 days is there. October 31st days is there. November 30 days is there and December 31 days is there. Now, number of the days in a year. Number of the days in a year. So what we have to do? We have to plus here January, February, March. So still December. So in that 31, 28, 31, 30, 31, 30, 31, 31, 30, 31, 30 and 31. So in that 315 days is there. How many days are total is there? 35 days is there. Number of the month in a year. How many months in a year? There are the 12 months in a year. How many months in a year? 12 months in a year. Okay everyone? Okay. Now, number of the week in a year. So in the step and time. Step 1, number of the days in a year, 315 days is there. Number of the days in a week. Number of the days in a week, how many days are there? 7 days are there. Number of the week in a year, 365 divided by 7 is equal to 52. Remainder is a 1 day. Remainder is a 1 day. Then based on the calendar, give a below answer answer the questions the following. So in that here is a December month calendar is there. December month calendar is there in the 2018. Okay, so we have to give some answers. Here is a question, how many Sunday are there in a December month? How many Sunday are there in a December month? So how many Sundays are there? Now here I'll explain something. S means Sunday. First S is there. So Sunday, M Monday, T Tuesday, W Wednesday, T Thursday, F Friday and S Saturday. So in that, how many Sundays are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 Sundays. How many Sundays are there? 5 Sundays. So what we have to write? Answer number 1, A1 answer. What we have to write? There are 5 Sunday in December month. In December month. B1 question. On what day is Christmas going to celebrated? On, so what we have to write here? On 25th December, 25th December, Christmas going to celebrated. Okay. Third one question. December month has a 31 days. How many days does November having? December में 31 days is there. So how many days does November have? So here we have to write there are 13 days in a November month. What date is the second Saturday on the month? So first Saturday, second Saturday. Which date is there? 8 December is there. So what we have to write here? 8 December. December is the Saturday of the month. Now look at this everyone and write it down in your notebook. Okay students, now I'll show you something. Okay, what have we learned so far? So in that, number of day in a week, 7 days. Number of the days in a year, 365 days. Number of the day in a year, number of the month in a year, 12 months. Number of week in a year, 52 weeks. Number of the days in a month, variance. Right? Now, in the November, on a which day is the Children's Day celebrated? In which day the Children's Day is celebrated? नवंबर मंथ में ही हम सेलिब्रेट करते हैं चिल्ड्रंस डे को, राइट? सो ऑन 14th November we have to celebrate Children's Day. On 14th November we have to celebrate Children's Day. Now, on which day Children's Day this year? This year Children's Day on 14th November, Thursday. This year the Children's Day is 14th November, Thursday. Then on which day is the last Saturday in a November month? On which date is the last Saturday on the November month? Last Saturday on the November month is a 30. Saturday 30. Got it? Then how many days does this month have? How many days are there? 30 days. How many? This month has a 13 days. Challenge question. Discuss and find the answers as a partner. On which date is the first Sunday? First Sunday कौन सी डेट को है? 3rd को, right? First Sunday, 3rd November, Sunday is there. 3rd November, Sunday is there. Then, on which day is the 15th November? So, which day is that? 15th November, 15th Feb. 15th Feb. Now, okay students, did you like this picture? So in this picture, two things is there. School is there and one girl is sleeping with the teddy bear. So Rohan goes to school 8 in the morning. Riya goes to bed 8 in the night. रोहन है वो मॉर्निंग में 8 o'clock स्कूल जाता है, रिया है वो 8 o'clock नाइट में सो जाती है. देन in a day at the same time is the repeat twice. Now every day ये things है वो repeat होती थी. So at the 12 night, 12 noon, before a midday, we called 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock at a noon. 12 o'clock at a noon. 12 noon and the 12 night. 12 noon and the 12 night. So we have to write here after midday 12 o'clock at a noon. 12 o'clock at a noon. Then Rohan goes to school at 8 in the morning. It is 8 a.m. before 8 p.m. Got it? Explain you AM and PM. So AM means and at meridian before midday, before 12 o'clock at noon, that call AM. Before 12 o'clock at noon, that call AM. And the post meridians, so in that after midday, after 12 o'clock at noon. Now, Rahul at breakfast at 7 a.m. or p.m. is there? A.m. And the dinner at 7 p.m. Okay. Riya slept in the night 9 p.m. and then woke up in the morning 6 a.m. मॉर्निंग 6 o'clock को उठती है. ठीक है. I go for football practice 6 a.m. and then again the same day I go 6 p.m. मॉर्निंग 6 a.m. में भी जाते हैं, आफ्टरनून 6 p.m. में भी जाते हैं. ठीक है. I study in the morning 7 a.m. and the study in the night 8 p.m. मॉर्निंग 7 a.m. में वो स्टडी करते हैं एंड द 8 o'clock भी रात को स्टडी करते हैं. देन दे एट लंच इन द आफ्टर a.m. एंड देन डिनर एट द नाइट 8 p.m. आफ्टरनून में 1 o'clock वो लंच करते हैं एंड द डिनर है वो 8 o'clock करते हैं. राज कम होम फ्रॉम work in the night 9 a.m. and went to work in the morning at a.m. Okay, so in the last, Pia slept in the night at 11 p.m. and woke up in the morning at 10 a.m. Rohan went to his friend's place in the night 9 p.m. and come home at the next day 9 a.m. Got it? So now what was your homework, students? Your homework here is you have to complete the worksheet number 20, 22, 23 and 24. ये आपका होमवर्क है. होमवर्क you have to submit before 3 o'clock in a WhatsApp group. Okay everyone, I hope so your work is complete. आपका वर्क है वो कंप्लीट हो गया होगा और ये वर्कशीट है वो आप लोगों को कंप्लीट करनी है. ठीक है एवरीवन, बाय, हैव अ नाइस डे ऑल.